Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Mobile phone is an important object of human life nowadays. The importance of mobile phones is infinity people's life cannot be imagined without mobile phones. So if this mobile phone is disturbed or useless, then you have to face many problems. If there is any important document or picture, then there is no word. It is more dangerous. Here many line of the charging pin are broken. It may have come into contact with liquid, due to which it is rusted. However, out of the five line, our two line are very important. Clean with thinner and replay. So guys, so many times the mobile phone has to be serviced to fix it. We have to rush to find a technician who know the right thing to fix a mobile phone. Don't forget to comment how you like this video. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it. Thanks for watching this video. Tata, bye bye.